What's going on, everybody? It's your boy F.N.G Moto, and today I'm going to do something a little bit outside of the norm and show you how I'm going to add Raptor style LED lights to my Tundra, the hood bulge grill area. Wait, what? Oh, I didn't tell you guys. Yeah, I did a thing. Hope you enjoyed that little attempt at B-roll. But yeah, I took off the hood bulge area, the vents, and I drilled it out with a step drill. And I went down as far as, I want to say, what, 7/16. Does that look right? And then just with these that I got from Super Bright LEDs, non-sponsored, they screw in. So they got this little nut on the back here, so that's going to hold it into place. And I'm going to wire it and install it into that grill that I bought, because I am doing a complete and total facelift. Because you know the SR5 Tundras come with a completely chrome grill that I despise, so it's gonna get blacked out, and you're gonna watch. But first, roll the intro. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is wire. I just create the wire leads going to where I am going to install this to where the wires are going to end. So now I'm not an electrician, so do not take this as like gospel, I guess, for lack of a better term, but this is just how I feel like I'm going to run it. The way I figured it out, and I'll show you here in a second when I go back out to the truck after, when I do the install, is I just took my roll of wire, 18 gauge, and started on one end of the hood, taped it as I went down, doing the path that I want to install the wires to run, and cut it when I got to the end. So that's how I came up with the length, which is a rough estimate. I think it's a little bit long, but that's fine. I can always trim it when I install it. So let me solder this up and go from there. Tin it. Alright, so the way I installed the lighting, or the way I got the measurements for the wiring, is I just did a rough estimate. I taped the wire off the spool from here and simulated the route that I was going to install it, and came down here, and as you can see, right now it's coming out of here and down. And I went to this fuse box here. There's a 10 amp ignition fuse that I used, so that way the lights are always on when the truck is on. And ran it to the ground here. See if you can see that. And used the add a fuse here. And we'll pop that off real quick. And right there is the add a fuse. Let's see if I get it closer. There you go. Sorry I don't have a more detailed the actual installation process. My wife was helping me with it, and it was over a weekend. And well, number one, she doesn't really like to be on camera much, and number two, if she's not leaving the house, she doesn't like wearing a bra. So it was a no-go for the actual install. Well, there you go. I hope you found it informative. I'm out. Peace.